Just in on the murder case that turned the national spotlight on the sanctuary city debate, with the jury now minutes away from resuming deliberations on the fate of the illegal immigrant deported multiple times who stands accused of killing Kate Steinle. Claudia Cowan is live in San Francisco. Claudia, what are you expecting today?
Well, Melissa, you know, these jurors have been repeatedly admonished by the judge to avoid all media coverage and not to discuss the case with anyone. So after a long holiday weekend with friends and family, these jurors are probably anxious to start their first full day of deliberations and reach a verdict in this high-profile case. They're having to weigh mostly circumstantial evidence to decide whether the shooting death of Kate Steinle in July of 2015 on a San Francisco pier was an act of murder or a tragic accident. No one actually saw the shooting, and there's no direct evidence that the defendant, 45-year-old Jose Inez Garcia Zarate, intended to kill Steinle. He didn't know her. There was no motive, and the fatal bullet ricocheted off the ground, striking her in the back some 90 feet away. That is the same distance as between home plate and first base. Defense experts said there's no way to intentionally shoot someone with such a skip shot, and but for that ricochet, the bullet would have missed Steinle by about 78 feet. Zarate claims he found the gun wrapped in a T-shirt under a bench and that he didn't know it was a gun when he picked it up to see what it was. But prosecutor Diana Garcia argued there was intent to kill. The defendant was just a lousy shot. She claims Zarate brought the gun onto the pier concealed in his clothing and was playing a secret game of Russian roulette. Garcia argued the evidence proves Zarate showed reckless disregard for human life, the requirement for a conviction of second-degree murder. The jury cannot consider Zarate's legal status or the fact that he was protected by San Francisco's sanctuary laws. There was no testimony about any of that during the trial. Melissa, deliberations will continue until 7:30 Eastern Time, 4:30 Pacific.
Wow.
Back to you.
One to keep an eye on for sure. Thank you.